Hello, everybody. Welcome to webisode 6 of Serving a Cup of Life. Today we are in nature. Nature has so much to offer to us. Nature का मतलब और क्या होता है? स्वभाव. बहुत सारे लोगों ने आपने मुझे बोला है कि प्लीज मिस्टर गाबा इफ यू कैन टॉक ऑन नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स, पीपल हैविंग नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स टुवर्ड्स अस. कुछ लोग जो कि हमारे बारे में गलत सोचते हैं, गंदा सोचते हैं, नेगेटिव सोचते हैं. सो आज मैं उसी टॉक अबाउट द स्वभाव नेचर. द मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट नेगेटिव फीलिंग, जो सबसे ज्यादा नेगेटिव फीलिंग कोई हमारे लिए रखता है ना, वो होती है जेलसी. बहुत जलते हैं, मार जनों अग लगी रहती है. Why? Have you ever thought of it? You know why? Because people are not confident about themselves. हम ये भूल जाते हैं that at times we also feel jealous that my friend has that, my boss has that, my neighbor has that. कभी हमने ये सोचा है कि उनके पास जो भी है वो उनकी खुद की काबिलियत से है, या उनको इनहेरिटेंस में मिला है, या मैं कहता हूं जैसे भी उनके पास है वो उनकी जिंदगी है. आपके पास जो है, like how I am, there is only one Mr. Gaba, and I say it with a lot of pride. There is only one Mr. Gaba on this planet. There cannot be any. Why? Because what I have, the place where I am born in, मैं जहां पैदा हुआ हूं, जिन circumstances में मेरी परवरिश हुई है, the schools that I have gone, the colleges that I have attended, the studies that I have done, मैं जिन जिन देशों में रहा हूं, वो सिर्फ मैंने किया है ना. So they all are my experiences. So what I am today is because of the way my life has been. So can you take that away from me? No. Even if you want it, you can't take it away from me. So similarly, what you have been through, the goods, the bads, the kind of family that you come from, आप किस स्कूल में गए हो, किस कॉलेज में गए हो, कैसे आपके दोस्त हैं, that's your life. So what you are, only you can be. तो आप और मैं, how can we even compete? So why to have this jealousy factor only? Jealousy comes in because we feel competitive with somebody, right? It is good to have that healthy competition that, I need to better myself. The competition should not be that how dare he or she. That's wrong. क्योंकि उनके जो circumstances हैं, वो जिस तरह से बड़े हुए हैं, that's completely different. So the kind of positives, the kind of attitude, attributes that they have is only what they have. अगर आपको इतना लगता है कि आप कहीं से कम हो, तो अपने आप को बेटर करो ना. Why to have this negative feeling towards anybody? Why to have this competition on the outside? Compete with yourself. You know why? Because that is the most honest competition that you can ever have in your life. क्योंकि आप उस चीज से compete कर रहे हो जिसके बारे में आपको सब कुछ पता है, जो आपके ऊपर बीत चुका है. Because you can only compete with that, right? That's the most honest way a competition can happen. अब जिसके circumstances ही अलग हैं, मैं जाके बोलूं, ओ जी आप प्रिंस वेल्स के यहाँ पैदा हुए हो, तो आपकी जिंदगी इतनी अच्छी क्यों है और मेरी आपसे कम क्यों है? कौन अपना पागल बना रहा है? So be you and compete with yourself. The best thing that happens is when you compete with yourself, you start becoming better. You start getting more focused. आप अपने पे ध्यान देके अपने आप को जिंदगी में आगे लेके जाते हो. And the best thing that you can do for yourself is you stop being jealous. आप जितनी एनर्जी किसी से जेलस होने में आते हो, उतनी ही एनर्जी को पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में लेके आओ और अपने आप को बेटर करो. Make yourselves better than yourself. And that is how we grow in life. So if you can, more than looking on the outside for competition, आप अपनी जिंदगी पे देखो, look at yourself where you and develop that, because what you have nobody else has. So do not get into this frame of saying that because they were born with this, that's how they have a better life. You don't even have a right to say that, because you are not the source where they're coming from, and you are not the end that they're striving for. You are only responsible for yourself, because you are the source and you are the end for yourself. Similar goes for them also. So try and live a life in a manner wherein the concentration, जो आप क्या करना चाहते हो, वो concentration अपनी betterment पे लगाओ. ये energy की उसके पास ये है, हाय 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 हाय, don't go negative because that's a wastage of energy. Use your energy to your benefit. Think about it. This was episode 6, Serving a Cup of Life, telling you about your nature and how to better yourself. Okay? And I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.